We know that 79% of Australians think that brands should be more transparent about where materials used in products come from and how they are sourced. For more than a decade, we have been working to make global cotton production better for the industry, for the people and our planet, something we should all be proud of. Currently, we're the only global retailer in the world selling products made from 100% cotton from more sustainable sources. But we're not satisfied. Our mission is to spread the word and go beyond our business. Together with our partners, we're on a journey to make cotton from more sustainable sources a mainstream practice, affordable and accessible to the many.
The average member of the public has very little awareness about what is good cotton and what is bad cotton. And that's why companies like IKEA are so important, because when they actually go out and create a market for sustainable cotton that uses a lot less water, a lot less pesticide, well, it brings about really big results for the environment, it brings about results for society, and it's also good for the economies of the local farmers that make that cotton. And it's really important that we educate the general public about the need for sustainable cotton and for them to buy that type of cotton every time they shop.